In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put multiple photos in one frame using Canva. This is a really handy trick for anyone looking to create a collage or simply want to display several images neatly within a single design. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But if you're all set, just log in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, it's time to set the stage for your design by creating a new canvas. For today's project, a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas is a good choice as it provides a perfect square that's especially great for platforms like Instagram. But feel free to choose a size that best fits your needs. Now that you've got your canvas, look over to the left side of your screen and find the Elements tab. This is a goldmine for adding various design components. Click on it and in the search bar type in multiple frames. This search will showcase a variety of frame options designed specifically to hold more than one photo. To see all the potential layouts you can play with, click on See All. It's like having a digital storefront of design templates at your fingertips. Once you've explored the options, find the frames that catch your eye or fit your vision best and give them a click to add them to your canvas. You'll see them appear right before you, ready to be adjusted. Don't worry if the frames seem a bit off at first. This is where resizing comes into play. Simply drag the corners or edges of the frames to fit your desired size and look. It's a straightforward and flexible process, allowing you to customize to your heart's content. After resizing, feel free to reposition the frames. Click and drag them to arrange a layout that tells your story best. Think about balance, symmetry, or perhaps a deliberately artistic imbalance, depending on the vibe you're going for. The next step is to bring your photos in. Hop over to the Uploads tab on the left side menu. This is where you can upload your own images if they're not already there. Once your photos are ready, drag them over to the frames. You'll find that Canva makes this part wonderfully intuitive as the images snap into place within the frame, filling it perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a design with multiple photos in the one frame using Canva. This technique can be used for a variety of projects, from social media posts to digital scrapbooks, ensuring your creativity knows no bounds. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more helpful tips and creative tutorials.